Hey guys, Pete Chapman here, your coach, once again in the Fitroom. We're going to do a combination of core stability and yoga here. You've done it in the instructional series. We're just going to speed it up, combine it together, and make a whole workout out of it. Are you ready? Let's get started. All we need is a stretching bench or a floor. Are you with me? All right, let's get started on the first exercise. Number one exercise is cat-cow. We're just going to limber up that back and shoulders. As usual, getting into our deep breathing. So get some nice stretching in for that back and hips. Going into a nice plank here, strengthening the front of the body. Don't let those hips drop or too high, nice and flat, straight body, head up. Strong through the front of the body, strengthening that core. And of course, if you strengthen the front of your abs, you got to strengthen the lower back to go with it. And that's what people don't do enough of. They do all these sit-ups, and they don't do enough of these very important lower back strengthening exercises. This is your Superman. And here we go, nice transition into Cobra, curling up, lengthening through the abdomen. Inhale up, exhale down, lengthening through the front of the body. Beautiful, nice stretch here, improving the posture. Getting straight into the bridge. What I like to do with these workouts, I like to try to keep my breath flowing the whole time. That's a good challenge for you guys, because if you can really focus on your breathing, you can really forget your cares and get rid of a lot of tension out of your body. Beautiful. Upright reach, so get your body nice and straight, legs out straight in front of you. Upper body upright. Pressing the palms together overhead, and that's the challenge. You're going to find it hard to get your arms up overhead and really press those hands, so it's going to develop a lot of strength in your shoulders and upper back. And down. Bending the knees, going in the table, lifting. Down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Great combination here, strengthening the glutes, strengthening the shoulders and the arms. Straight into the boat, lifting the chest. If you can't do this for very long, just drop it down, pick it back up. If you can't keep your arms up, just put your hands down by the bench, right here. I'm going to try and hold this as long as we can. As you get stronger, you'll be able to hold it in better posture right here, keeping the chest up. Hold the legs up a little bit longer, but it's not very long. Working the sides here with a side plank. We did the front plank. Doing the side planks here. Very simple routine. You've learned this routine. All we're doing is turn it into a workout. Combining the two charts. Core stability and yoga. Great combination of exercises. Anybody can do them. Yeah. Try and do it with a smile on your face, guys. It's not torture. You haven't been sent here by a judge because you've been really wicked. You're doing this because you're looking after yourself. Pushing the heels down. Pressing back hard off the hands. Pressing your armpits down to the ground. And straight into pigeon. Look at that. Lovely transition. I've connected these exercises together so you can make these nice smooth transitions. Get a few more exercises in a short space of time. You'll be able to make those transitions a little bit easier with practice. And of course, if you want to spend a little bit longer doing this, go right ahead. I encourage you to. If you have one side that's a little bit tighter than the other, then you might want to take a little bit more time on that side. Here's your lying twist. So my knee goes to the left, I'm looking to the right, keeping my right shoulder down, breathing nice and deep. I'm going to change sides right here. Stretching right through the hips and the side of the waist. How are we doing? You feeling good? Almost done. Beautiful. Look, that's a whole body routine. Yoga, core stability, real easy. This is Pete Chapman in the Fit Room saying it's quicker and easier than you think to get in shape. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it and you're feeling better. Please go to www.fitroomexpress.store to check out our products because it's easier and quicker than you think to get healthier if you have the right tools.